So I'm currently working on my standing up desk, and this is a DIY standing up desk, taking a crate and a Walmart laptop stand and combining them to raise the laptop stand so it can be a supportive little mini desk for me to use as I type and go through my deck, so go through some MCAT material. So I'm currently using an old piece of telephone wire to basically anchor the laptop stand to the crate. As you can see here, I'm making loops within the stand so it can be stable. So let's see how this turns out. Voila! So here is my makeshift laptop stand. Seems pretty tight and fastened, safe, and it's like a seatbelt basically for the laptop stand. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So basically, I can now use this makeshift table stand as I'm right here looking at the monitor, looking at the screen. Can just use this right here to get work done. So you all see I have my standing up desk here. This is something that I will pull out whenever I feel fatigued just sitting in the chair all day. I usually sit in this chair over here. When I get too tired, I'm like, alright, I need to switch it up a little bit. So this standing up desk, they say using standing up desk is better for your body anyway. So I just made this makeshift standing up desk with some stuff that I have around the house. I got this blue crate that I found, and then this standing up laptop stand that I had for a while from Walmart. And then I found some telephone wire that I've been using that I just tied this down to the blue crate and anchored it. And I just put it up and propped it up. And here I got a makeshift standing up desk, low tech DIY. So here you go. If you ever wanted to create a standing up desk, go look around your house to see what you got, to see what you could use to create your own standing up desk, instead of going out and buying something that would probably cost a lot more than you just creating yourself. So I have a little space up top here where I can write even if I wanted to, but I just have my keyboard here and I'm just looking at the monitor to just do whatever I'm doing. And currently I'm just running through some flashcards, but I could write on here if I wanted to. Like, it's pretty sturdy. So like I'm on here right now, and if I wanted to write on here, pretty sturdy, so it works out. It's not too bad. There you go. DIY makeshift standing up desk. Go make one. Let me know if you think you're gonna make one.